Hello and welcome back. We have financial analyst Steve Budin joining us this Saturday morning, and we are talking about tax season. There's a lot of different changes for so many folks that have dealt with unemployment, less hours. So what should we know about when to file and why we should file possibly early?
Definitely two big tips here. Number one, file a tax return regardless of your income. Now, there are minimum income levels below which you don't have to file a federal income tax return. But if you want to receive the stimulus money that you're entitled to, a federal income tax return is required. So even if you're below that limit, file that as soon as you can so you can get the money quicker. And just as important, if you file the return, you can give direct deposit information on your return so that stimulus money and or a refund that you're entitled to can be direct deposited into your bank account as opposed to a check, which takes longer to get to you, and potentially the check could get stolen right out of your mailbox.
What are some other reasons to maybe file that tax return earlier than you typically have in years past?
Yeah, as crazy as this year has been, the IRS actually did delay the start date to February 12th. So we're only a week away from that. A couple of reasons you'd want to file as soon as possible. Number one, if you're entitled to a refund, you will get that refund quicker. Number two, if you're getting stimulus money, you'll get that stimulus money quicker if you also set up for the direct deposit. But number three, I found interesting was you can beat the cyber criminals at their own game. We've done a lot of stories over the years about people's tax refunds getting stolen by cyber crooks. Well, if you file a return before somebody could steal your social security number and file on your behalf, you'll get the refund before they will. So it's important to file it as soon as you can.
So part of the takeaway here is file really no matter how much you made and file as early as we can. Any other advice for folks that are thinking about filing soon?
Yeah, and clearly make sure you have all of your tax forms in order, right? The W-2 from your employment income should be coming any day. And then if you have investments, you might have taken money out of a 401k, you might have taken money out of an IRA, you'll get something called a Form 1099. And again, those should be coming shortly as well. What you don't want to do is rush to file and not have your forms in order, because then you'll have an erroneous return and that could hold up a refund that you're due to get.
All right, we'll post more of this on our website, ktnv.com. Thanks for your time, Steve, and we'll be right back after this.